Hey, welcome back. Okay, so today we're just going to be going over some basic stuff. Just little things that I thought you might want to know. Okay, so the first one is like a YouTube search app, which I use actually a lot. I don't like going onto the internet, then going to YouTube, and then typing something in. I'd rather just double click or just single click on the program and it'd pop up. Okay, so here it is. I just magically made appear out of nowhere. And that's the script. I'm not really going to type it out because I think you guys can read. This says set search to text return of display dialog. Enter YouTube search here. Default answer, buttons, and okay. So let me explain some of this. Set search, which is just search, obviously, to text returned of this display dialog. And so when we say this, it says the search, and you use search whenever you're going to use like website type HTML things. Okay, so set search. This is search. Well, really, that's search, and this is search. To text returned of display dialog, enter YouTube's video search. Default answer. There you go. Buttons, search, and cancel. Default button 1. Okay, so the location that this search is going to go to is this website. Now, if you're going to want to find a website's address, which I believe all you got to do is if you look up here and let's say I want to go to the Apple, just apple.com. Copy. Um, and so what I'm going to do is instead of this, I believe, yeah, I can just replace that with that. And then if we say compile and we run and we say ignore this, we can just say enter. What it'll do is it send us to apple.com. So let's do that again, and I ignore this. Hopefully this will work. Um, No, that didn't work. Okay, well, basically, you could just use that to just say, boom, there you go, there's the website. And I know it's the home page, but I mean, and you could put it in bookmarks. It's just to give you an example. Um, no, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so another thing I want to show you is launcher apps. Okay, so here's the script for this. Let me go to this. Okay, so launcher apps right here. When I say run, this pops up, and I click Minecraft and I say okay. Minecraft starts bouncing up and down trying to get my attention, and boom, Minecraft news. Oh, and then you could just go into it. Okay, so all this really did is here's the basic: choose from list. And when you type in choose from list, it gives you a list, obviously, and you can put a lot in here. That was really loud beep. Okay, so when you put it in there, it says choose from list other, comma, Minecraft in parentheses, and then this weird sign. So, parentheses. That's quotation marks. Okay, so once you put that in there, you say with prompt, and prompt is basically display dialog, but I think you use with prompt more when you're using like lists. So pick one, and then what it says, if result of this, it's basically saying like if x equals, or if x contains this, then do this. Tell application launch. So you could make this really long and like those other, like the guessing game we made, and just say if this contains this, then do this. And that do this could be tell application Minecraft to launch. But instead, we can just say if result is Minecraft, then tell application Minecraft to launch. Intel. This is important. You have to say Intel. And then I said otherwise, it says you're a terrible programmer. So, yeah, I am a terrible programmer. So, you could make that say whatever and say I just don't want to go up to Finder or search into my Spotlight. I just want my main games all listed there in that one program. I can just click on it and say run and it'll do it. Okay, let's see if there's anything else I need to show you. Oh, yeah, I made a database. Now, you might be going, oh, can you show that to me? It is the same thing as the guessing game. I will show you the database core in, okay, wait, let me minimize it so you'd be able to see it. Okay, so the database core is all it is variables, set text returned, and then end ignoring, and then say if x contains. That's all this is. you could just make it that. It's really easy. So you can make a database out of that. You could literally make a thesaurus, no, a thesaurus, an encyclopedia on your desktop of certain like private things. I guess you could say like a what I mean by private things is like contacts, um, Minecraft cheats if you're gonna be a complete nerd. Just anything you want to put, any information you just want to save, you could do that, and and I know you could just put it in text files and save it, but I mean this is just a quicker way to do it. So that's really what I wanted to show you guys today, and so this is really the finale. I know of my AppleScript tutorials, and this was just a little mini series I was gonna do just because I wanted some people, because a lot of people don't know how to do it, and whenever you look up on videos, it's always like, oh, super beginners, and then also, oh, let's go into the super advanced, and there's no like midway point where you can just learn some basics, not too basic, by the way, some basics, and then expand on that. On it's usually on the videos on web, it's like, oh, how to make Hello World. Oh, let's learn about how to make a game. So this is just a midway for people who are a little bit more advanced in the area of learning, like I am. So I hope you enjoyed this series. And seriously, if you thought this was kind of amateur, my Python tutorials are going to be a lot better because I am much more enthusiastic about Python than I am AppleScript because that is actually a language. This is not really a language. This is more of like fun and games to me, really. It can have some good purposes, but I would much rather use Python. Okay, so I'll have those Pythons out at least. Okay, I'll have at Christmas. Let's say it's 2012 right now, and it's what, November. Yeah, at Christmas, I am going to be starting coming out with a ton of those. So, and also for news of people who are also in my Minecraft server, yeah, not in my Minecraft server, but you like watching those videos. I will be doing those more with my friend Wildebeest. It's just been a while, and also at Christmas, we will be getting Elgatos. So yeah, we'll be doing a ton, but we've just been busy. High school started, so we'll be back. All these videos, scripting videos, Minecraft videos. We'll start doing Borderlands videos, Fallout 3, Rage, I guess, whatever, Halo, zombies. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys still enjoy my videos. And remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Everybody, tell your friends, tell your family. Well, not your family. Tell cool people. I don't want lame people on here. Okay. See ya. Bye.